When I first started offering bookkeeping services, I thought I had to do everything, every little detail, every receipt, every report for every type of client. And let me tell you, it got heavy real fast. I was working long hours, saying yes to everyone. And honestly, I just started to dread the work. But over time, I figured out how to keep my bookkeeping light, simple, but still profitable. And now I actually really enjoy it again. The first thing that changed everything was simplifying my service offering. I stopped trying to be everything to everyone. Now I just focus on a few core services that I know I can deliver and deliver well, that clients actually need and that are more worth my time. I no longer offer custom packages for every single person anymore, and that alone has saved me hours of back and forth. Second, I set up clear systems. I have a process for onboarding, a process for monthly check ins, a process for setting questions. And when I need client information, I use a tool that I actually built myself called Ditch the Portal. And that makes it easy for me to keep all my client inquiries in one place. So the less time I spend chasing documents or repeating myself over and over again, the more time I can spend doing the actual work that matters and the more profitable the work becomes. Another big one is I don't overcomplicate the tech that I use in my business. I use just a few tools, three to be exact, that actually help me. And those three are QuickBooks Online, HubDoc, and the platform that I built called Ditch the Portal. I don't have 15 different apps running that I barely use. I just keep it streamlined, and that keeps my brain and my environment calm. And a big mindset shift that really helped me was understanding that not every client is my client. I learned to just trust my gut. If someone's not a good fit, maybe they're disorganized or not willing to change certain things that kind of need to be changed, or they want champagne service on a tap water budget, I pass. Because the right clients respect your processes, they pay you on time, and value what you bring to the table. Keeping it light doesn't mean doing less. It means doing things in a way that protects your time, energy, and sanity while still delivering real value to your clients. And that's what keeps your business profitable too. So if you're in bookkeeping or thinking about getting into the field, just know that it doesn't have to be heavy to be successful. Just keep it simple, make it make sense for you and your situation, and build around what actually works for you.